Two search and rescue K9 teams from Columbia County Sheriff's Office are back after a recovery mission in Texas. They helped in the grim search after the deadly floods a few weeks ago, working to help families recover their loved ones. They spent several days there. Unlike traditional police canines, though, this unit with these dogs are trained as wilderness dogs, giving them an advantage in the rough terrain ravaged by the deadly flooding.
They could work off lead in large areas where some of the other teams maybe couldn't do that, and certainly some of the other teams worked online.
We searched 13 days of the 16 that we were deployed. Like literally the day after we got off the plane, we were set with a team and we were in the field doing 8-10-hour days.
The Oregon group's special skill set allowed them to also search larger areas that other teams were unable to reach.